Alright, y'all, we back with another one. We're gonna see what these are. I can just, you know what? I'm just gonna cut it. Back with another one. Mystery pack. See what kind of fire we got. Oh shit. Let's go this way. Damn. Now you know these are this is a cut from a real comic, Avengers. That's kind of tight, huh? It's number 47 out of 168. That's a badass comic. Alright, we got that. And we got that Bo Jackson, rookie. And we got this boy right here. Why is he looking all blurry? Camera dirty? It's kind of weird. Let's see something real quick. Looks a little blurry. I don't know, I might be tripping. My eyes might be blurry. Or it's because of this plastic. But yeah, that's it for this pack. Let's open this small one. See what's in here. Damn. Anthony Edwards. And hardwood. That's fire. Is it numbered? No, it's not numbered, but it's a badass card though. I like that. Alright, that's it for that one. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Guess we cut it from here. We're gonna cut it right here. Dang. What we got up in here? Ooh, that's that Barry Bonds rookie right there. Oh, it's in the same pack. That Barry Bonds rookie. And we got this boy right here. That's a badass card, Man, you should have got that one graded just based on the fact because I like the card. So yeah, that's it for this one. Quick and easy and fast. So what we got up here. Let's see which way should I open this. Cut it from right here. Oh shit. That's fat right there. I got the Patrick Mahomes like this too. It's a badass card. Alright. Yeah, you gotta give it up for Patrick Mahomes, man. You know what I'm saying? That ain't my team at all, but you know, you gotta show boy is good, man. You can't knock him on that. That's what I'm really trying to say. The boy is good. Stuff. Ooh, okay. That's a Pikachu. I mean, some Pokemon cards. We got another one, fire one right here. Oh. Alright. Oh, they're both old, should I say? I say new one. Alright. Alright, y'all. That was it for this one, man. It was nice and short and simple. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace.